You're welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So first of all, I take my extensions, my synthetic extensions. Of course, this is Superstar I'm using. I cut it into 4 parts depending on what my client needs. That is how I cut. For me, I prefer the back to be into 4 and the front into 3. For this particular hair, I want to make a twist. Twist, also called Senegalese twist. Also, I want to coil the ends. So you stretch the hair. Most of the time, before I make a client's hair, I prepare the synthetic extension. So for now, I'm stretching the hair. When stretching the hair, you have to be patient about it. So just take it gradually like so. Remember, as you stretch one side, the other side will be tangled. But with a good brush, you can brush it out. When I'm making a twist, I don't like it to be too stretched. So when you stretch a hair, it removes the blunt edges. It makes the edges to be thinner when you stretch the hair, and it's more pretty. So when I'm making a Senegalese twist, I don't like it too stretched. But if I'm making box braid, I like it very stretched, and of course it will increase in size. After stretching, you comb with a big brush. Then you comb the tangled side. Stretch the other end like so. So after stretching, you comb it with a brush. And of course, you rub it cream, and you're ready to braid your hair. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.